Determine the internal rate of return for a project with a capital cost of $100 million and 50 years of annual benefits of $8 million. The internal rate of return is the discount rate at which the benefits are equal to the costs. Now, we could try and solve this by writing out the formula for the benefits and the formula for the costs, but since the project's going to take 50 years, we would find that we would have a 50th order polynomial, which is far too difficult to solve. So, what we're going to do is we're going to use a process of trial and error. To start with, let's try and work out the NPV, because we want to find the NPV equals 0, at 10%. So this will equal, to start with the costs, so we have minus $100 million plus the benefits. So the benefits we said were $8 million per year times the factor, and so the factor is 1.1 to the power of 50 minus 1, all divided by 0.1 times 1.1 to the power of 50. So this gives us minus $100 million again, plus $110 million, $405,970. So the total net present value will be equal to $10,405,970. Too high. So this is too high. That means that our benefits are too large. So in order to make our benefits smaller, we're going to need to use a smaller net present value. Let's try 7%. So the net present value at 7% is equal to, once again, we have our $100 million construction cost plus our $8 million benefits per year but this time we multiply by 1.07 to the power of 50 minus 1 and divide by 0.07 times 1.07 to the power of 50, which gives us our $100 million. Sorry, that was a negative. Plus $318,516, which gives us a net present value of minus $20,681,484. Now, this is worse than last time. Last time we were $10 million too much. This time we're $20 million not enough. So 7% is too low, 10% is too high. Let's try 8%. So our net present value at 8% is equal to, once again, there's the cost of $100 million plus the benefit each year of $8 million This time our factor will use 8%. which gives us minus 100 million plus 97,867,877 dollars, which is equal to minus 2,132,123. So you can see this is getting much closer to zero than either of these two answers. Now, this means the answer's between 7 and 8, and if you only need it to the nearest percent, this is your answer. On the other hand, we could keep going and we could work out exactly what it is. And so I did this using the goal-seek function in Excel, and the actual answer is 7.814%. Okay, so Excel has a function which allows you to put in your equation, tell it that a certain cell should be set to be 0, which would be your NPV value, change the discount rate, and this is the answer that you'll get. So this is the actual internal rate of return.